Do you know that this is what Biafrans built in 1967? Just take a look at it. Take a look at this innovation. And this is what Russia built in 2022. They built this in 2022. Biafra 1967, Russia 2022. Just take a look at it. Take a look at the innovation. Do you know that Biafrans built this under pressure during a war? They built this in less than 3 years. Hey, as an Igbo person, why I no go get pride? Why I no go get pride? Buruburu kana kuko sari alieru chineke. Hey! If Biafra had succeeded, Africa would have had a world power. Yes, the Biafrans built their tanks, their jets, gunboats from scratch. They are the greatest generation. I keep imagining what Biafra would have achieved as a sovereign nation. Only God knows. Unumana ihem neche buna the reason why the West jiwebu so Biafra aga buna they saw the Biafrans innovation. Hebido uwanyoku. Ke kandia gesini alu udrifa. Alubeho before. Just look at this. Hey, look at. Why I no go get pride? Why I no go get pride? Chineke.